Let me talk to him. Let me talk to him. Let it rain. Let me talk to him. Come on. So they have them apple bottom jeans with the bird. The whole club was looking at her.
Hurricane Irma, where the storm is and where it's heading. Close on the heels of Harvey, Hurricane Irma has already torn through the Caribbean on its way to Florida. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration has forecast the storm to hit Florida early Sunday. The storm is currently a Category 3 storm with sustained 125 miles per hour winds, but is expected to re-strengthen to a Category 4 before it slams into the southwest Florida coast on Sunday. This is an extremely dangerous event that will bring coastal flooding, high winds, and many inches of rain to Florida and then possibly Georgia and the Carolinas. This map below charts the course the storm has taken so far and shows NOAA's National Hurricane Center's best available forecast for where it's heading. The map will update automatically when new forecasts are published. But also know, wind speed is just one factor that makes a hurricane dangerous. Much of South Florida is at risk for coastal flooding, which is usually the deadliest aspect of a hurricane. 5 to 10 feet of storm surge is expected along the coast. Check out NOAA's storm surge estimation tool to see where the risk is greatest. How to follow Hurricane Irma. The National Hurricane Center has a page updating every few hours with the latest watches and warnings for Harvey. Check it out. Follow the Miami branch of the National Weather Service on Twitter and the Florida Keys branch too. Follow the Capital Weather Gang's Twitter account. These folks tend to live tweet storm updates. Here's a Twitter list of weather experts via meteorologist Eric Holthouse. These experts will give you up-to-the-second forecasts and warnings.